to be together, but is that really stopping us? The forbidden love, there's rebels, now look at us. We are creating rhythms as our hearts combine, as they intertwine. Kissing in the rain made us rebel. Nobody gon' stop us. I don't feel the pain of singleness anymore, but I'm manifesting. I'm way no longer more today. We come from two different backgrounds, like fire and water. At first I thought we couldn't be together, then again I'm like, fuck this. Who are they to tell us we can't be together? I know that that's bullshit, I promise we're rebels. Kissing in the rain made us rebel. Nobody gon' stop us. I don't feel the pain of singleness anymore, but I'm manifesting. I'm way no longer more today. Is it sad that you almost gave into the pressure? Because I could never, cause you are the one that I'm looking for. And I know you feel the same way about me. I know deep down inside we are both already. And if you wanted to, we can combine the elements and create a hurricane. Kissing in the rain made us rebel. Nobody gon' stop us. I don't feel the pain of singleness anymore, but I'm manifesting. I'm way no longer more today. Kissing in the rain made us rebel. Nobody gon' stop us. I don't feel the pain of singleness anymore, but I'm manifesting. I'm way no longer more today. Kissing in the rain, kissing in the rain made us rebels. Kissing in the rain made us rebel. Ain't nobody gon' stop us. I don't feel the pain of singleness anymore, but I'm manifesting. I'm way no longer more today.